Beautiful people, it's me, Pamela, on my YouTube. Cho, no, what's the T? Siyahlaziya.
So, King Mrs. Zulu Kazwelithini had like an announcement, a warning basically, to say, hi, he's quiet about what's going on. Ebono Jacinta dead, Eddington Primary School. Finjala Primary School, it must just close down. Actually, I'm actually exhausted by it. Because someone was even saying, for years, they've been watching it. 80% of the learners there are foreigners. I'm just like, why did you allow that? Why? People like who stay around there. Why would you do that? And even now, principally when he's doing admissions or whoever, actually admin, I guess, that's doing admissions, why are they allowing such? Go back finally go 50-50 if it has to be like that. Not just good because this is not gonna end well. We're going back again to the anti-xenophobia. And it's not gonna end well. Yeah, no. Abantu bazobiyela emakhaya. And I've always said even last day, umuntu akabiyele kubo guys. Ngikungibone mina eRwanda, the cleanest country. I've said the same line. Ngimile lapha eRwanda ngithengisana nama-fruits emgwaqeni neyobisi. Ungibone ngokha around their nightclubs ngithengisana neyobisi ebusuku. The problem laba baza ngokukhohlakala. Bahlulekile kube ema-Nigeria la beqhamuka khona. Umuntu azofika la ahlupha abe inkinga ngoba even nalo mama kade khuluma le Eddington, she's also Nigerian, esho nje ukuthi nje siyahlukunyezwa, omunye umuntu wesifazane angihlukumeze ngizofaka ingane yami esikoleni. Akekho umuntu okuhlukumezile guys. ENigeria zakhe ikona. And some of them, they don't know when to stop. They do not know when to stop. They continue to do wrong things. Passports. You ask yourself. Phela, this thing is the same as umuntu ehlukumeza again. Over and over again. I mean, there's like 40 learners in one class. Guys, ingane is 40. Children need to breathe. In class, this is 40 persons. Like, honestly, why? Besides the message that he has said, King Mrs. Zulu, Wagwazulu, Kazwelithini, he's still going to address again at the meeting on the 22nd, this coming Thursday. At a meeting here, the War of Isandlwana. That is when he's going to address it properly. His views and where he's coming from, because he says that he has actually spoken to the government to say what's going on in KZN. You know, as a king, I'm looking at this, I'm like, how do I help my people? So the government promised him, no, we're actually working on it now. We are deporting people who are illegal, who are not even supposed to be here. I'm just like, legal or not, go home. Just go home, please, and leave us in peace. And last year I said it, the same line, so many times. I was just like, guys. It's as simple as that. What's hard? Because you start to come here and you have a mouth. You kuluma imlomo. Ufike inyaweni. Just go home. Ukubona. Mina nje all I can say ukuthi usenkingeni ma ukuthi uhleli ngendluzula illegally there in KZN and ubhizi lobo ukhuluma udelelani no Jacinta there outside Eddington Primary School, uzohamba ekhaya kabuhlungu kabi lapha eKing Shaka bese bekhahlela ingqini. So mina my thing is that just go home. Ezinye izinto nje guys, don't be involved too much. Mina futhi nje I'm sorry even if I was illegal mina bekudala ngihamba ngiqoshwa in some country lokuthiwa hamba wena hamba ngoba bekudala ngihambela. I wouldn't even bother myself. And in Zulu it was said ukuthi senesiphuze inyongo sekwanele, you must just go home. Thank you so much, guys, for always loving this channel. Nami ngithanda over.
Asimasiphatha kabi nomhlukumeza abantu bangaphandle. Siyazi ukuthi indawo abasuke besuka kuzo bezofuna noma bezobheka impilo engcono ezweni lethu. Kufanele ngabe siyajabula yini nasizwe ekumele ukuthi nibakhombe indlela ukuthi mawukuthi ungase Nigeria, ungase Cameroon, noma ungase Ghana, uKwaZulu sinenkosi ke thina la manifuna ukuhlala la amanye ukhonza enkosini siyokwazi ukuphikisana nalabo bantu kodwa manizohlala nabo emadolobheni ngendlela izinto enidlayo angeke kulungele ukuthola besini lapho nje asingakhohlisana batsheleni ukuthi sinenkosi ke thina la siphila kanje asambe mfowethu siye enkosini uyakhonza la uKwaZulu singabashaya masenze kanjalo niyobona Zulu mnyama angeke sibenakho besinikeze inkinga laba bantu ngoba kubalulekile ukuba sikhumbule ukuthi nabo bangabantu abazonelwa lokhu engihleze ngikusho ukuthi isilo esekuzile sasisho ukuthi umuntu akabona